What's going on, YouTube? You got the old Mongo Man back at you here Monday evening. We're going to get in here and we're going to do some grinding. But first off, let's have a conversation about something we bought. I got us the new lower unit. New to me anyway, lower unit for the boat. Came complete with stainless steel prop and the outermost portion of the gimbal housing. So far it looks like it's going to work. It's actually only one number off on the model number, which tells me that it was a 305, and it was for a 305. It actually says 5.0 liter on the other side. But the upper gear housing has a different ratio in it, so it's just a little bit different. It is a 15x7 right-hand twist prop, so I don't see any leaks on it, which in and itself is a good thing. So maybe we can just swap her out, but as of for right now, we're going to leave it be. Once I'm ready for it, we'll bring it in and take care of it. So all right, let's get in there and get some things going. Come along with me. You get to see how much fun I'm going to have tonight. Really nice shape. And the funny thing is, it's exactly the same prop. It's not. I mean, it's not the same make, but it's 15x7. So you're gonna use it.
So I'm getting co-op for next year. Getting co-op for next year. I already talked to the people for that.
Don't you want to work an HK?
Why do you have that?
What?
I thought that was no blazer, and I was too for that.
YouTube, been at it for 2 hours and 6 minutes. At least that's how long the old phone said I've been recording. So 2 hours and 6 minutes of that time, I don't know, hour and 45 grinding. So I got, I think, what we can consider half of the boat done, which means I got another 2 hours of grinding ahead of me. So let's take a look, see what you think. Okay, so this is the side we have done. On the right-hand side, I actually have the transom ground. You see there, the motor mount's gone. All of the Corners where the bulkhead was are gone. Everything is done all the way up through. Same thing there. There might be a little bit of touch up that needs done, like right there. You really can't see it on the other side of the vacuum cleaner there. There's a little bit of wood still in the frame, or still in the boat. I got to get it out. But what's left to do is this side over here, that portion of the transom, and all the way up through here. You can see over there where the floor met. It maybe a little bit more needs to be done. I need to go a little higher so that I can open that up where I'm going to tab in the new floor. But for the most part, I'm really happy with it. I'm still not gonna take the floor of it out, or the very bottom of it. It is solid right now, so I think I'm gonna leave that alone. Same with the front, where you know, we were hearing some noises before. I'm probably gonna lay more glass over top of it, put another layer on top. But for the most part, I think all that stuff is gonna stay put. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at. I still have a little bit more work over there. You can see right where the old floor met the side there, and as it tapered forward. But yeah, it's working pretty good. I feel pretty confident that I should be able to get it to tab in really well whenever we start doing all of the glass work. And as you can see there, I'm hitting everything real quick. Not that all of it needs done, but you know, especially around where the new stringers are going to be put, that definitely needs to be done, so that the new glass and the new resin has something to bite to. But yeah, so far so good. Like I was saying before, you can really see now, it does give you a really good indication of where stuff used to be. Like that motor mount, you can really see there. Get my head out of the way. See where that motor mount was. You can see where the bulkheads were, where that upper stringer set, where the lower stringer was at, and even where the stringer right next to the fuel tank was sitting. So, yeah. So for the most part, old Phoenix is another day down. Prep for getting those stringers in. And I am sure filthy dirty. I'm gonna leave the garage open, let all this dust settle. I did blow the boat out with compressed air. I there at the end took the blower and blew everything down in the garage. As you can see, everything in here is coated in a nice layer of fiberglass dust, and I'm sure I'll be getting itchy from here till probably a year and a half from now. So, kind of is what it is at this point. I'm pretty much over it. Going to continue on with life and figure out how to get this done. So tomorrow, KJ has a basketball game. I think it starts at 5:30, 6 o'clock, not sure. So chances of doing a video might be slim to none. And then Wednesday, I have a meeting that I have to go to after work. So next will be Thursday, most likely, when we'll be back in here grinding. So, all right, guys, that's all for Mongo tonight. Thanks for coming back. Make sure you comment on this video, subscribe to the channel, and smash that like button, as they say, right? All right, the Mongo Man is out. See you later.